guys, my name is Serenity and today I'm going to be cooking with the Happy Cook. I love to cook, so that's why I'm going to be baking some delicious chocolate chip cookies.
And welcome to the Happy Cook. Today I have one of my special friends, Serenity, here with me, and she's going to help me make some delicious chocolate chip cookies. So stay right there. We'll be right back and we're going to show you what our ingredients are. Today's ingredients are butter, chocolate chips, eggs, evaporated cane sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, flour, and salt, baking soda, and baking powder. They're all mixed in there together. All right, so we're ready to get started, and we're going to begin with Serenity. What you're going to do is you're going to take our dry ingredients, which is our flour, our baking soda, our baking powder, and our salt. You'll mix it together with the whisk, okay? And then I'm going to take the butters and the sugar, and we're going to blend that together. Okay. You ready to get started?
Yes.
All right, everybody. So now we have our cookie batter ready, and this cookie batter smells delicious. And so Serenity, what we're going to do is we're going to take a sheet pan, and we're going to get some parchment. I like to use parchment paper, some non-bleached parchment paper, and we're going to scoop out the cookie dough and put it on our cookie sheet, okay? Would you like to taste this before we start putting it out there? Okay.
Okay, you guys, now I'm gonna try the cookie dough. And we'll see what this tastes like. Okay, let's see. Take a bit of small, oh, that's too much. Small piece. That's so good. Oh my gosh. You have got to try this. It's so good. Can I take this in a bowl? Can I?
Okay, our cookies are out of the oven, and we're going to leave them out here now, Serenity, so that they can cool for about 10 minutes.
Okay.
And then we're going to taste them.
Yay!
I'm excited.
Me too.
Okay. Okay, our cookies are ready and they look absolutely delicious. The whole entire kitchen smells like heaven on earth.
Yeah.
Okay, Miss Serenity, are you ready for the moment of truth?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to try our cookies, all right? Oh my gosh, and these chips are so delicious. Oh, all the ingredients for this were organic ingredients. So we even have organic chocolate in here, okay?
Oh.
Somebody come and get me right now, because I'm ready to just go to see the Heavenly Choir. It's delicious. These cookies are absolutely delicious. You've got to try them. The recipe will be available on my Facebook page, and then later on we're compiling a whole cookbook with our recipes that we'll be making available real soon. My name is Jamel McKenzie, and I'm here with my friend Serenity. And we want to let you know today that the best cook is a blessed cook, and a blessed cook is a happy cook. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.